Okay, so good morning to all the students. Okay, so once again, good morning to all the students, and today we will be continuing with the revision workout of chapter How Do Organisms Reproduce, and today our topic will be of discussion will be the male reproductive system. Okay. So, before going, yes, good morning all once again. Let me, so today our revision topics, I am sharing the slide with you all. Yes, today we will be discussing the topics under male reproductive system as organs, functions and pathway of sperm cell. So these are the different topics which we are going to study today. Now, first of all, I will be sharing with you the image. Okay. Now, first of all, if we are going to discuss the male reproductive system, okay, then first of all, what is a male reproductive system? We have to define also that it is a system which consists of a number of 6 organs that are a part of the human reproductive process. And overall, what is the function of the male reproductive system? It produces, stores and releases the male gamete or the sperm. Now, before going into the diagram for the human male reproductive system, can anyone say what are the different parts of the human male reproductive system? Through the chat box, you give me the reply. What are the different parts of the human male reproductive system? What are the different parts of the human male reproductive system? Through the chat box, you send the reply. What are the different parts of the human? Okay, Shambhavi, I will come to that topic also because it was a revision only. Spore formation, the mode of the asexual reproduction. I will come to that topic also. What are the different parts? Through the chat box, you give me the reply. What are the different parts of the human male reproductive system? Meanwhile, I am sharing the text also with us. Through the chat box, you give me, yes, some of you have responded. Okay, Anushka, yes, you have given the complete answer. Okay. Let me come to the image also. Yes. Now, yes, very correct. Before going into the discussion of the parts, yes, I have shared the image of the human male reproductive system. I have shared with you the. Now you can see in the diagram, human male reproductive system consists of the parts. The first part which we will be discussing, that is the scrotum. It is a pouch-like structure. It is a pouch-like structure that holds the testes. Now the scrotum is present outside the abdominal cavity. What is the function of this aspect? The scrotum is present outside the abdominal cavity. Can you say what is the function of this peculiar feature? Yes, students, what is the function of this peculiar feature? What is the function of this peculiar feature of that the presence of the scrotum outside the, very good Anand, very good, Khushbu, correct? Okay, correct? Yes, definitely the scrotum holds the testes and testis produces the sperm. For the production of the sperm, low temperature is required, and this presence of the scrotum outside the abdominal cavity lowers the temperature of the, or we can say keep the temperature of the testis 2 to 3 degrees centigrade less than the body temperature. Less than the body temperature. So this is the function of the presence of the scrotum outside the abdominal cavity for keeping the temperature 2 to 3 degrees centigrade less than the body temperature. The next part, if we are discussing about the human male reproductive system, that is the testes. A pair of testes. Yes, Anushka? Yes. If your answer is clear. Yes, your answer is correct also. Within the scrotum, a pair of testes is present. Now, what is the function of testes? There are two very important and peculiar features of the testes. First, the production of the male sex hormone. Students, can you tell me what is the function, or first tell me what is the name of the male sex hormone? Through the chat box, you give me the reply. What is the function? What is the name of the male sex hormone? What is the name? Through the chat box, you give me the reply. Through the chat box, you give me the reply. Very good. Correct. Preeti, testosterone. Anushka also correct. Ayushi, Karan, yes. Correct, student. It's the testosterone. Testosterone is the male sex hormone. Correct. So, there are two functions of testes. One is the production of the male sex hormone, that is testosterone, and the second is production of the male sex cell, that is the sperm. Okay? So, now the third part is the function of the scrotum and the testes is clear to all? Is the function of the testes and the scrotum is clear to all the students? Okay, fine. Okay. Now, from the testes, you can see in the diagram, a tube emerges out. A tube emerges out. I have also highlighted in the diagram, a tube emerges out. And what is the name of this tube? This tube is called vas deferens. Okay, students, be very careful, as already in the class I told you also that whenever you will be writing the spelling of vast difference, be very careful. It is difference, not difference. Many of the students, you commit this mistake by writing it as difference, but it is difference. Okay? So, what is the function of the vast difference? Vast difference carry or transport the sperm. Yes, yes, Palak, Anushka, you have given the correct answer. That is transport system, it helps. Very good. Correct, Aryan. Correct, Preeti. Yes, it transports the sperm outside of the testes. Okay. Now, students, from the diagram which is visible on your screen, can you tell me what will be the name of the fourth part of the human male reproductive system if we are moving in a proper sequence starting from scrotum, testes, vas deferens? What will be the fourth part? Okay, Divya, 10A and 10B is combined. Okay, yes, we will be doing that also. Now 10A and 10B is combined. So, we will be doing that part also. Okay. Okay. Students, same students are responding again and again. Let me see the participation list from where I will pick up the name of the students. Few students are only responding. Remaining students are not responding. Like I am not getting any response from Shivam. Shivam has not responded a single time. Okay, correct. Very good. So, yes, correct. All the students have given the correct answer. It's the seminal vesicle and the prostate gland. Again, students, one very important thing which you can get confused while you are answering the prostate gland. It's prostate, not prostrate. Be very careful with the spelling. It's P-R-O-S-T-R-A-T-E. Prostate. And sometimes you commit this mistake by writing P-R-O-S-T-R-A-T. Okay? So, be very careful while answering this thing. It's prostate. Now, what are the functions of prostate and seminal vesicle? The prostate and the seminal vesicle has two important functions. First, yes, very good, very spontaneous. Few students are very spontaneous, as we have already discussed in the class, and this is a revision going on. Few students have given very correct and good responses. That is, they provide nutrition to the sperm and also makes the sperm fluid. Now, students, here I will ask you one question. What is the need? What is the need for making, or we can say, what is the need for adding the fluidity to the sperm? What is the need for adding fluidity to the sperm? What is the, very good, Khushbu, correct? Yes, correct. For movement or for easy transportation, correct? For movement, for easy transportation, very good. Okay, fine. Now, the next part is the penis, which is a muscular organ used for insertion into the female reproductive tract for deposition of the human sperm. So, the function of all the parts of the female-male reproductive system is clear to all. The function of all the parts of the human male reproductive system is clear to all. Now, I will ask the question from you all, and it should be participation of all the students. One by one, I will throw questions. The same questions which we have discussed till now. First question, you will respond through the chat box. What is the function of testes? All the students should write the answers in the chat box. The whole system and the function of the different parts we will be discussing now. What is the function? What is the function? What is the function? Both the two functions you will write together. Rohit, you have written only one function. Both the two functions I want. Yes, Khushbu, very correct. Both the function you have written. Palak, okay, correct. I want the response. See, we are total 33 participants now. I want the response from all. Because in the class, when you will give the response after understanding the concept, you can easily remember and memorize it for a longer period of time. Production of sperm, production of testosterone, correct Kunal, very correct. Okay. Okay, Ritu. Okay. Okay. Very good, Anya. Fine. My next question. What is the name of the part which transports the sperm outside the testes? What is the name of the part that transports the sperm outside the testes? Correct, Anand? Correct, Kunal? Correct, Karan? Correct, Preeti? Aryan, I asked what is the name of the part. You are with the, I think with the previous question only. That's why you have given the answer testosterone. Scrotum. Correct. Vast difference, Aryan. No, I think, wait, just a moment. Let me see who has committed this mistake. No, Pushkar, your answer is wrong. I asked what is the name of the part which transport the sperm outside the testes. Scrotum holds the testes, but the name of the part, that is vas deferens. Okay, very good. Yes, correct. Now my next question, what is the name of the part that adds fluid to the sperm and also provide nutrition to it? Let me call you by name. Okay. Prostate gland. Very good. Prostate gland and seminal vesicle. You have to answer it togetherly. Seminal vesicle and prostate gland. Very good. Correct? Correct? Very good. Okay. Okay. Fine. Acha student, one more question over here. One more question over here. Do in the human male reproductive system there is a common opening for the urine as well as the sperm, or do they have separate openings? Do they have a common opening or do they have separate opening? Very good. Same opening. Okay. So ultimately we can say the urethra, which was carrying the urine also will carry the sperm. Very good. Correct. Okay. Yes. So any more queries you have from this? Any more queries you have from this? Okay. Now, I have a worksheet for you. Wait. Students, I think my worksheet is visible to all. My worksheet is visible to all. My worksheet is visible. Okay. All of you write down this worksheet. Even you can take the screenshot for your convenience. You can take the screenshot also of this worksheet, as well as you can write it down also. Now, whatever we have discussed till now, based on that only our worksheet is there. That is the different parts of the male reproductive system and the functions. The different parts of the male reproductive system and its function. So here you can see the labelings are given: prostate gland, testes, vas deferens, scrotum, penis and seminal vesicle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 functions are given. Okay, let us match. You will be saying, or since because you can't edit this, I have not allowed you to edit this on the image. I will be doing that. So you in the chat box you give me the reply. First give the reply for prostate gland. What will be the function of the prostate gland? Okay, okay, give your responses. Give your responses I am seeing, and then finally I will answer to this worksheet. Finally I will answer to this worksheet. Students, since A, B, C, okay, one thing I am doing for you all. Let me edit, label this as A. Wait, let me write it down. Label it as A, this as B, this as C, this as D, this as E, and the last as F. Now, prostate gland, you tell me in A, B, C, D, E, which will be there? Okay, yes, yes. I think now while answering it will be more simple for you to answer, as because I have given the alphabets and you have to simply match it against prostate. Okay, I think match all of you have answered correctly to this. Prostate gland, the function, a gland that produces some of the fluid part of semen. Very good. Correct. Now, the next, testis. Testis. For testis, what will be your option? What will be the correct option for this? A, B, C, D, E. Which one it should match? Very good. A pair of oval shaped glands that produces or that produce sperm. Correct? Correct? Okay, correct. Then you have Vast difference. Correct. Vast difference. Correct. For vast difference, you are saying, yeah, no. Here, some of the students uh, are getting confused also, but you should not be confused. Just a minute, students, stop responding so that I can scroll the screen. 1 minute. Uh, Vast difference, yes. Those students, yeah, vast difference, it will be definitely F. Some of the students have said C also, but no, C is not correct. It is the pair of ducts that arises from the testes and which carry the fluid or the sperm. Yes, okay, correct. Vast difference, it will be F. Vast difference, it will be F. It will be F. Vast difference, it will be F. Next, you have scrotum. For scrotum, okay, yes. This was not so much confusing also. Yes. A pouch of skin that contain the testes, correct. Pouch of the skin that contain the testes, correct, scrotum. Then the next part is the penis. B. Yes, correct. The male reproductive organ through which urine and semen pass. Students, while discussion, once we have said about semen also. Student, what is the difference between sperm and semen? What is the difference between sperm and semen? Tell me. While answering this, you go for another question also, that what is the difference between semen and sperm? Very good. Sperm plus fluid secretion, that is the semen. Very good, correct. Yes. Now after this, after penis, the last part, seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle. Very good, Anushka. Very quick. Very quick response. Okay. Aryan also correct. Okay, fine. Okay, yes, correct. It's C, a pair of glands that also produce some of the fluid part of the semen. Very good, students. Yes, all the students have participated also in this worksheet, and you have done very well. Now, finally, I will be allotting you a question also on the basis of today's class work. All of you write down the question. All of you write down the question for assignment. Now, student, if you can remember, I told you once that in the board examination, one sort of question also comes regarding the functional. Means they will ask you the labeling, not with the name of the part, but with the function of the part. Is it clear? Previously also in some of the diagrams we have done this. Now here also, write down the question. Draw a label diagram of human male. Acha, student, make a change in this question. Write down, draw a diagram. Draw a diagram first. Now, don't use the word label, because labeling we will give in a functional aspect. Draw a diagram of human male reproductive system. Draw a diagram of human male reproductive system and label the following parts and label the following parts and label the following parts that and label the following parts that perform the following functions that perform the following function and label the part that performs the following function. That perform the following function. Number one, part that hold the testes, part that hold the testes, part that hold the testes. Students, I would like to remind you again, while answering this question, please in the labeling don't write that this is part 1, this is the function. Only you have to write the name of the part. Be very careful, because sometimes when I have given this question, many of the students you do the labeling correctly that this is part 1, but mistake is that you write the function instead of writing the name. Did you got my question? Did you got my question, what I want to ask? Did you understood, students? My question is clear to all? Okay, fine. Okay, I got the response. Okay. Number 2, the second part. Part that produces sperm, part that produces sperm, part that produces sperm, part that produces sperm, part that produces sperm. Number 3, tube that transports the sperm outside the testes, tube that transports the sperm outside the testes, tube that transports the sperm outside the testes, outside the testes. Next, number 4, part that provide nutrition to the sperm, part that provide nutrition to the sperm and also makes it fluid, part that provide nutrition to the sperm and also makes it fluid, part that provide nutrition to the sperm and also makes it fluid, and also makes it fluid. Next, the last one, muscular organ that is used for insertion into the female reproductive tract. The female reproductive tract. Okay, so this will be your today's assignment. Hopefully all of you have understood the question. Please be careful while answering. Don't answer the question in the form of the function. After reproductive, Rohit, I repeat the last point. muscular organ that is used for inserting into female reproductive tract. T-R-A-C-T, tract. That means the passage. Now, at last, anywhere, any doubt in today's topic, you can send your queries in the chat box. In our today's topic on male reproductive system, if you have any doubts, you can further send your queries. After 1 minute, just after few seconds, our class will be disconnected. Today's topic is clear to all? Rohit, sperm is a living cell. Okay, sperm is a living cell. Glucose is being added also for giving it the energy for the movement. So glucose, okay. You asked one nutrient, that is the glucose. Sperm plus fluid, that is called semen. Yes. Okay. Okay, thank you students for today's class.